In this short video tutorial, we will understand how to write conditional statements in C by making use of a shortcut notation that has been given to us by the C programming language. The shortcut notation that we are discussing in this video is the notation that is written by making use of the question mark and the colon symbols. So the question mark and the colon symbols, they help us write the conditional statements without actually making use of the if and else keywords in the C program. So let's see how the question mark and colon statements work. So let's start by writing a very simple C program. So I've created the main function here, and in this main function I've created a variable a and I've given it a value 5. Now I will be writing a very simple conditional statements that will have if and else parts. Now you will notice that I will not be making use of the if and else keywords when I'm writing the conditional statements. So let's see how I'm writing the code. A equal to 5 question mark printf equal colon printf not equal and semicolon. Now do you see any if and else statements here? So we don't have any if and else statements here, but still we have written a conditional statement using the C language. Now this complete statement is actually a conditional statement that has if and else parts. So the first part is the condition that we are checking. So a double equal to 5. If the value of this conditional, if the result of this conditional statement is true, then this code will execute. If the result of the conditional statement is false, then this code will execute. So you can very well understand that the code that we have written after the question mark represents the if part of the conditional statement, and the code that we have written after the colon represents the else part of the conditional statement. So if this statement is true, this code should run. If this statement is false, then this code should run. So let's run this code and see the output. Now, because the value of a is equal to 5, therefore this condition should be true and this code should execute. So let's run this program, and you will notice that the result is equal printed on the console window. Now if we make this condition as false, so a double equal to 10, so this condition will become this condition will return a result as false. Therefore the code which is written after the colon should execute. So let's run this program and see. You will notice that not equal to has been printed on the screen. So this is how, by making use of the question mark and the colon symbols, you can write conditional statements using the C program. And these the equal to and the colon only help you when you have to write very small conditional statements that can fit into, let's say, a single line of code. So without making use of the if and else keywords, you can still write conditional statements by using the question mark and the colon symbols. So with this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete C programming course, please visit openischool.com/learnc. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates on the new videos that we post.